Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your business name in Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Click on the pencil icon next to your business name. Now click on the pencil icon next to the name of the shop. Make necessary changes to your business name. Click Save to apply the changes. This is how you can change your business name in Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.